Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 249. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we're just missing a 3. And for this column, we're just missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got the 6 here, so 2, 3. The 2 covering these two boxes, so 3, 6, 3, 6. That means that our 2 for that row has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. No help here. 1, 3, 4. 4 here, so 1, 3, and no help here. 1, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. Got the 7 here, so 3, 6, and that means the only place the 7 can be in that column is here. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 3. We can get rid of this 3 and this 3. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help, so 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any help, so 3, 4, 3, 4. If we do this column, we're looking at we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 9, 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 8, 2. That 2 makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. That makes this our 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.